Did you know that plants came long before seeds? Let's take a quick dive into the ancient world of plants. According to the fossil record, early plants didn't look like what we know today. These primitive plants resembled moss and had a unique way of reproducing, using single-celled spores instead of seeds. Imagine plants spreading tiny spores to reproduce, kind of like how mushrooms do today. But here's the fascinating part. Multicellular seeds, the ones we see in trees and flowers, didn't evolve until about 150 million years later. That's right, 150 million years of plants thriving without the seeds we now take for granted. Seeds first evolved around 360 million years ago during the late Devonian period. This marked a major evolutionary step for plants. Early seed plants, known as gymnosperms, began to emerge, and their seeds provided several advantages over spore-based reproduction, including protection for the developing plant embryo and the ability to remain dormant during unfavorable conditions. Gymnosperms are a group of seed-producing plants that include conifers like pines, spruces, and firs. The term gymnosperm comes from the Greek words gymnos, naked, and sperma, seed, meaning naked seeds. Unlike angiosperms, flowering plants, gymnosperms do not produce flowers or fruits. Instead, their seeds are exposed or naked on the surface of cones or other structures, rather than being enclosed within a fruit. Naked seeds. Gymnosperms produce seeds that are not enclosed in a fruit. These seeds are often found on the scales of cones, like pine cones. Cones. Most gymnosperms produce cones, which house either the male or female reproductive structures. Male cones release pollen, while female cones bear seeds. Evergreen nature. Many gymnosperms, such as pine and fir trees, are evergreen, meaning they retain their leaves, needles, throughout the year. However, there are some deciduous gymnosperms that shed leaves seasonally. Woodiness. Most gymnosperms are woody plants, including trees and shrubs, which allows them to grow tall and live for many years. Gymnosperms were among the first plants to evolve seeds, and they dominated terrestrial ecosystems during the Mesozoic era, the age of the dinosaurs, before flowering plants became more widespread. Examples include pines, cedars, redwoods, and cycads. This evolutionary leap allowed plants to colonize a wider range of environments, eventually leading to the dominance of seed-bearing plants like conifers and flowering plants, angiosperms, that we see today. Next time you see a seed, remember the long journey plants went through to get there. Nature is full of surprises, and it all started with tiny spores. Please like and share. Thank you for watching.